Are you thinking about learning Korean? Or maybe you're just wondering why this language has captured the hearts of so many people around the world? Well, I'm here to tell you that diving into Korean is not just a great idea. It's an exciting adventure you won't regret. Let me explain why. 1. Dive into a unique culture. Korea is a country where ancient traditions and modern trends blend beautifully. By learning Korean, you can fully immerse yourself in this rich culture. Whether you're a fan of K-pop, K-dramas, or traditional Korean art and history, understanding the language adds so much depth to the experience. Imagine singing your favorite BTS or Blackpink songs with confidence, or watching dramas without subtitles. 2. Unlock a global phenomenon. Korean is more than just a language, it's a global movement. The Korean wave, or Hallyu, has swept across the world, influencing music, fashion, beauty, and even food. By learning Korean, you're not just keeping up, you're diving headfirst into one of the most dynamic cultures of our time. 3. Travel like a local. Korea is a traveler's dream. Bustling cities like Seoul, serene temples, scenic islands, and delicious street food. Knowing even basic Korean will make your trip unforgettable. Locals love it when visitors try their language, and it'll help you discover hidden gems that most tourists miss. Plus, ordering taeteokbokki or kimchi jjigae in Korean? Instant street cred. 4. Career opportunities. Korea is a global leader in tech, entertainment, and business, with companies like Samsung, LG, and Hyundai making waves worldwide. Knowing Korean can open doors to exciting career opportunities, especially if you're interested in international relations, trade, or even the entertainment industry. 5. Connect with 80 million people. Over 80 million people speak Korean worldwide, not just in South Korea, but also in North Korea and diaspora communities around the globe. Learning Korean helps you build bridges with this vibrant, diverse community and connect on a deeper level. 6. A fun and logical language. Korean might look intimidating at first, but here's a secret. It's one of the most logical languages out there. The Korean alphabet, Hangul, was designed to be simple and easy to learn. You can master it in just a few hours. From there, you'll discover how beautifully structured and rhythmic Korean is. It's a language that's as fun to learn as it is to speak. 7. Food, festivals, and fun. Let's talk about the food. Korean cuisine is world famous for its bold flavors and healthy options. And when you learn Korean, you can dive deeper into its rich food culture, reading recipes, understanding menus, and even chatting with street vendors. Plus, you'll truly appreciate Korea's festivals, like Chuseok, Korean Thanksgiving, and the colorful Lantern Festival. 8. Boost your brain. Learning Korean is like giving your brain a workout. It improves memory, problem-solving skills, and even creativity. Plus, it's a great way to challenge yourself and prove that you can achieve something amazing. Closing. Encouragement. So, why not start learning Korean today? Whether it's for the culture, the career opportunities, or simply the joy of speaking a beautiful and unique language, Korean has something for everyone. Ready to take the first step? Happy learning!